Awecast's high-end real estate video tours focus on what matters for your property, what buyers and virtual visitors need to see. Realtors know Awecast real estate video tours generate leads and impress sellers, all while enhancing your personal brand. Save $100 when you order now. Our state-of-the-art process, highly experienced crew, high-end camera equipment, and drones give our video tours a smooth, flowing feel. We capture interior and exterior shots and blend them with views from above, incorporating stunning aerial drone views. Our drone pilots are FAA certified and properly insured. Just provide us with property information and we will do the rest in as little as 48 hours. Video tours showcase your property like no other media can. Leverage the power of video with an Awecast contactless virtual video tour. Awecast, the power of video. Visit awecast.com.